If you own an iPhone 17 and haven't installed the new iOS 26.5.2 update yet, your device is actively running on a massive timer that breaks performance. Everyone is talking about this update the wrong way. They're telling you it's just another boring background patch, but they're completely missing the real story. Apple didn't want to drop this firmware yet. They were forced to rush it out early because behind the scenes, modern apps and online tools are evolving faster than the phone's default system can handle. This update is a direct response to a massive shift in how phones process background data. If you skip it, you aren't missing out on a standard file download. You're actively leaving your flagship phone running on outdated protocols that slow down your processing speed over time. Think about how you actually use your phone every day. You're jumping between heavy apps, running high contrast widgets, and keeping multiple background tasks alive at once. In older software versions, the system starts to struggle under heavy, continuous loops. It causes background apps to randomly refresh, kills your multitasking flow, and creates tiny microstutters when you swipe home. iOS 26.5.2 completely rewrites how your phone allocates its power. It locks your background apps into a hyper efficient state, ensuring that the second you swipe back into an app, it opens instantly without lag or delay. But the biggest reason this video is going viral is because of what this update does to your hardware longevity. When a phone runs on unoptimized code, it constantly hunts for signals and overworks the processor. This is exactly what causes your device to get hot in your hand for absolutely no reason. This patch serves as a hard thermal shield. It optimizes the power draw across the entire system architecture, meaning your phone stays at cold even when you are pushing it through heavy usage, content creation, or long execution stretches. Cold hardware means your peak battery health stays protected. Let's talk about real world daily performance. If you're into competitive mobile gaming or capturing high end cinematic clips, you know exactly how frustrating it is when the phone suddenly drops frames or dims the screen brightness because it gets too warm. This firmware stabilizes your frame pacing entirely. It forces the system to maintain a flat, predictable power curve. You get sustained peak performance during heavy workloads without the software throttling your hardware or killing your display brightness halfway through your day. It keeps the entire user experience feeling premium and completely fluid. There's a ton of misinformation floating around social media right now, claiming that this update ruins your battery life or changes your visual layout. Don't listen to the hype. The reality is that any massive system patch requires the phone to re-index its file system during the first 24 hours. That temporary background process is the only reason some people notice a slight drain right after installing it. Once that initial indexing loop finishes, the optimization kicks in, leaving you with highly responsive, stable, and incredibly fast interface that actually matches the premium price tag of your phone. Don't wait for your phone to start lagging or overheating when you need it most. Drop whatever you are doing, open your system settings, and pull down to iOS 26.5.2 update immediately to lock in your device's peak performance.